3. Bust it.
Power Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Your reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in the industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more. Power Connect Show.
It's been a very cool day, a very raining day, a floody day if you like, but I know that you are doing so well in it. I know that you are safe. It's time to connect to your ever exciting program once again. That's your ever interesting program, powered by your darling power utility service provider, EKE. They say it's the time for Power Connect Show. It's the time to come on board and we journey together into the world of electricity power supply and all that affects it in Nigeria and beyond. My name remains what you have always known it to be, Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke, is it? And I know that you are expecting that another name, the one you know as BB, Banji Busari, will come immediately after. But there will be a break in tradition today. You will not hear the voice of that man called Banji Busari. But I can assure you that it's for good, it's not for bad. It's on field assignment. Don't ask me what assignment is he doing in the rain. It will be back next week. Well, like I've said, it's another cool day. And it's happening on no other place. It's happening on no other station other than your ever interesting, equally interesting station, 102.7 Niger FM, the station that always makes sense. Now we radio. If I were you, I will do something. I will go nowhere. I won't touch the dial. I will stay tuned because it's time for Power Connect Show. And well, let's hit the ground rolling, as I always say, and we go right into the news and tidbits for the day. And the news and tidbits I have here says a co-electricity distribution company advises customers on key change tokens. What does that mean? The news says a co-electricity distribution company, EKEDC, has advised customers whose prepaid meters are not accepting new electricity tokens after running out of electricity units to request for key change tokens to clear the error. A public notice by the company said key change tokens are two sets of 20-digit tokens that have to be imputed into a meter for it to accept rejected valid tokens. The public notice advised customers with meters rejecting valid tokens to request for key change tokens through three different options, namely sending email to customercare@ekedp.com, calling either 070-8067-11770 or 070-1289-966, and or sending their request to EKEDC customer or visiting the nearest customer experience center to them. That is, you can either send the request for keychain token to customercare@ekedp.com, call either of the numbers listed, or you visit the nearest EKEDC customer experience center. So that's the news and tidbits for the day. We will go for a short break. We'll be back. I can assure you that it's another very interesting edition, very interesting episode of the program. Go nowhere, please. Don't touch the dial. We'll be right back.
Dear esteemed customer, Eco Electricity Distribution Company, EcoDisco, hereby advises you against careless attitudes in your daily usage of electricity to avoid electrocution. Electrocution is the passage of electrical currents through a human body, resulting in death. EKEDC therefore advises you to be extremely careful when using electric gas cookers, microwave ovens, washing machines, irons, and so on when plugging in your TV, radio, DVD players, and stereo sets. Do not tamper with or attempt repairing your meter if it develops a fault. Invite invite a qualified electrical engineer. Also, this rainy season, to avoid electrocution or untimely death, be careful not to step on naked electricity wire or engage in any trading or business activity under high tension wire. For any electrical issues you have, call our customer care line on 0708 067 1170 and 0700 123 5666. EKEDC, empowering the quality of lives.
You are welcome back. Yes, it's your program, the Power Connect Show, powered by EKEDC. When I said that Banji Busari will not be on the program today, some people will be thinking that I'm going to walk alone. But I tell you that, like that famous English club, I am not going to walk alone on this program. And I have big people around me. Big people from a co-electricity distribution company, big masquerades, if you like, call them. And it's time to unveil the person behind the mask now. And the first person that I want to unmask on this program today is the General Manager Business Development of a co-electricity distribution company. He's an engineer Yinka Adewumi. You are welcome, engineer.
Thank you.
Say a word to people at home.
Thank you very much. Greetings to our listeners and our esteemed customers. I'm very happy to be here to meet with our customers and discuss some of the issues that we have that you may have, to be able to convey those messages to them.
Okay, and the next person, call him the Kakaki of EKEDC, call him the voice, call him the trumpet. You will be right. Is the high, the hair, the voice, the mouth of EKEDC. I'm talking of the General Manager, Corporate Communications, EKEDC, Mr. Babatunde Lasaki. You are welcome, Mr. Lasaki.
Thank you very much, Mr. Adegoke, for having me. And hello, listener. Good afternoon. And nice talking to you again. As I always love to answer your questions, your complaints, clarification. We're always there because as a distribution company, we're always there to serve you and serve you will.
Okay, so we launch right into the program, and we will be talking. Our focus today is on energy theft. Energy theft. What is energy theft? Some people go say energy be money wey dem dey steal. Say wetin be energy theft? Energy. Okay, engineer Adewumi, maybe you can break it down for us. What really constitutes energy theft?
Thank you, Mr. Adegoke. Energy theft.
Okay, before we dey speak pidgin here. You fit. Now this now we station.
Where my people go here well.
Okay.
Energy theft now when somebody steal energy.
Okay.
And energy be the thing where we they give our customers where they pay for. So when you take this energy where we they give you and you don't get the mind or the intention that you won't pay for them. That's one
like
energy
person
theft.
Go buy akara for mama alakara says you no come pay money.
You don't pay money.
Okay.
But you know if you have the mind say you go pay money, you fit take the akara and you go tell the mama alakara say you go pay money at some time. But when you don't get the intention
mind to pay at all,
that one na complete energy theft. Now him say you don't steal the energy.
Okay.
Now you say you be
ogbonge thief. I mean, person wey dey steal wetin e be na thief now.
Thief e be,
okay. Mr. Lasaki, I know say energy theft. You go get papa, you go get mama, you go get grandchild sef. So which different kind of energy theft dey wey you fit tell our people so that the person no go say I no know say the thing wey I dey do na energy theft.
Okay. Thank you again, Mr. Adegoke. Like my guy at the top talk, say energy theft is when somebody go buy a car with no intention of paying. For our business, energy theft, it get different level. You get papa, you get mama, you get sister, even get grandpa. The first one be say, if you no pay your light bill every month, and our people will come, you go hide or you tell them say I know you so that one and one energy theft. If you get meter for house, you can't call your Chris or Namdi wey be electrician say Namdi, this my meter, it too dey read. Help me adjust one wire there. So be say that my 2 AC, you no go dey read on top meter. So That one na energy theft. Another one be say our people don't catch you say you no pay and they can't disconnect you. You now after they don't go, you now call that electrician again. I'm the call more. They don't cut me. Help me put them back. Energy theft. The one be big pass. Energy theft. They say we get our transformer where they connect, where they serve everybody for your area. Because you know say that transformer something, some wire and some material dey inside. They say if you comot them, if you go sell them for Alaba or go sell them for Computer Village or go sell them for anywhere, you can't carry that wire, cut them. The one wey they call vandalism. That one na big energy theft. Because no be only you they steal them. No be only you the thing go affect. It go affect everybody wey suppose they enjoy the service and the line wey that transformer they do. And it go affect Eco because now as you don't steal them, we our company we go need plenty money we go take buy.
Now me say the akara, your own akara when you dey sell to people, you don't go get am.
You don't carry
the akara self.
In fact, this one pass akara. You don't carry the akara. You don't carry the ororo. You don't carry even the stove where then they take fire. So that one na be ogbonge energy
theft. Okay, Engineer Adewumi, you know say some people go move. Okay, so before I even talk of that category of people, some people their own kind of energy theft. They don't disconnect them. Then go come pass. Some go pass wire underground safe. You know, or my neighbor get light, me no get. I know say I never pay. I go put am underground. Which kind? That one na energy theft too.
Now go get energy theft. And like my colleague said earlier, when you see the kind thing where they happen for our side, the thing go they even baffle you. Say why people they do like this? Because you see somebody wey carry wire for night, then go put the wire for our wire, the 4 wire where they go for their street for night. When they come for morning, you don't say they don't remove the wire. That one na proper energy.
So then disconnect them. Then in the night then go
put the wire. And for morning, make people no see them. Then go comot the wire. That one no say in the steal the energy now. No be say
you know well.
And you know say you no get the mind say you won't pay at all.
Okay.
Then,
well,
again,
okay.
This underground, you go see some people. They will go their neighbor house or go another street. Then go pass the wire for underground where we no go see. They use the light for their house, but they no go allow the thing there for where people go no say they get light. They use them for small things. That one now go get energy theft. And the one where people they do where they know the true show say na energy theft is, then go get our connection. They get our meter. But for no be the whole energy or the power go pass through the meter.
Pass through the meter so that
then
meter
go use another connection. They use AC. They use fridge. So now only lightning point alone. They go they pass through the meter. So when you see there, you go see say they don't chop plenty energy where they no pay for. But for outside you go be like say na then say they pay for that energy.
That one can't be like the one where then they call stealing by trick. Abi?
That was a part.
He passed stealing by trick. Okay. Well, we will continue with the conversation. But listeners at home, this is the Power Connect show sponsored by Eco Electricity Distribution Company. We will soon ask you to join us to contribute to this conversation, and the numbers to call are 070-0100-0102, 070-0100-0102, and then 081-8212 0734. And for WhatsApp, it's not only calls. You can also send us WhatsApp messages. You can even call through WhatsApp line too, and that is 081 0013 03 0349. I call it again, 08100130349. So those are the numbers. At the right time, we will be inviting you to also contribute to the discussion. But right now, I am here with two big officials from EKEDC, Mr. Babatunde Lasaki, the GM Corporate Communications, and then Mr. Engineer Yinka Adewumi, the GM Business Development. So, and now, Mr. Lasaki, is there, or maybe I should direct this to the engineer, is there a nexus between then get meeting point, energy theft and public safety? Then connect?
Then connect well. But before I go even talk about the connection between energy theft
and safety,
say law self dey against energy theft. So
I get that question. I get that one. I get that
so
one. I get that one. I get that one.
When people are stealing energy, when they go and steal energy, the safety issues are compromised. That is, they will not take proper care to make the connection. It's always a temporary connection that is not properly made. Sometimes they will go and peel wire where they're not supposed to peel. Sometimes this wire can touch themselves, explosion go come, fire go come. They go say, na utility company cause the matter. The thing where they do for where people no see them, nobody go own up say na him go peel wire where the wire can't dey bare. You know, every wire, the one way we dey use for house, they get rubber wey dey protect am, so make e no touch. But when you don't peel the protection comot and the thing touch, na him be say safety issue don dey
like that man say,
if you pass the one wire for ground and you no use the correct size of wire, you go use the one wey the kind current wey him dey carry, no be the kind wey he suppose to carry. That one go dey get hot. The insulation, that is the rubber way there on top, that one go melt, the thing go join together, wahala go come for that building or for that area. They go say na utility cost am. So when people dey do all this kind of thing, the thing they get as they create problem for people. That is why we say make if we see somebody where they do something way wrong, make we go give our people the information. Say this man, they do something where it
be like saying that you they talk as if saying a prophet you be, because you don't see my mind the kind of question where I won't ask Mr. Lasaki. The question where I won't ask be say, you know, our people now waiting concern me. I know that your office is in charge of letting people know how energy theft affects them. You know, sometimes then go they think say, na me they do am, why go they tell me, you know. So how your office they enlighten people for them to know say this thing not be only the person where they do am, it go affect. Even if we catch am, we go say maybe we want prosecute him or we want say make a pay fine. You say if they affect you, how you they enlighten people about this?
Well, I'll try and speak English and then I'll speak Pidgin so that everybody go hear. Basically, what we do is that from time to time we have what we call town hall meetings. Town hall meetings where we go to a big hall within our franchise area, district, and we invite as many people as can join us to come. So we meet them face to face. We go there with all our officials, from safety to commercial people to engineers, and then people have opportunity to ask questions, and then we educate them on the effect of energy theft and other safety hazards. So we have that face-to-face interaction. In addition to face-to-face interaction, we have our social media platforms. We are on X, former Twitter, we are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, and all these platforms we are always posting information there for people to go, and we have even phone numbers that people can actually call direct to report energy theft incidents. And then we have what we call whistleblowing lines for people who don't want to be identified that I'm the one that actually report this. You can actually report people anonymously through whistleblowing line. You don't have to say your name, and then you can actually send email to that whistleblowing line. Before the end of the program, I will read out all these numbers and platform to our customer to know.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Lasaki. We'll be right back. We go for a short break now. The conversation continues after the break.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC. EKEDC, na we dey empower the quality of life.
Okay. You are welcome back to the program. It's the Power Connect show, and I have two guests with me, Mr. Babatunde Lasaki, the GM Corporate Communications, EKEDC, and the engineer Yinka Adewumi, the GM Business Development. For calls, the lines are 020 1515 1027. Again, 020 15151027, and the second one is 020 151520. Okay, it's the same line, but for WhatsApp we have 081 00130349. Those are the lines you can call to. I have a question here on sent in by one Mr. Robert, and he says that he lives in Tolu area of Ajegunle, and he is saying that how does he get how do I get one of your guest phone number? Well, you don't really, I can answer that. You don't really have to have their personal numbers. You can, we have called out the customer care lines, and if you have any issue, please visit the nearest EKEDC customer service center to you. Your questions, your complaints will be addressed, will be attended to. So he's also asking, he says, please, what information are you talking about? Can you please clear the air on that? I don't really know what information he's talking about. Maybe he's talking about giving information to EKEDC about energy theft. Maybe you can elaborate on that.
Well, basically what we're talking about its effect of energy theft on customers as well as the distribution company. Because energy theft affects everyone. As a customer, you are going to pay for what you are not using. Because when somebody is stealing, it is only those people who have meters and who are paying bills are the one that will pay for what other people have stolen. So it's important for every one of us to be our brother's keeper and to say something when we say something. And like I said, you can report through different platforms. You can report on our Facebook, Eco Electricity, IG, at EKEDP, and then on X at EKEDP, IG at EKEDP NG, or you can call directly customer care line 070-806-71170, 070-123-5666, or you send email to customercare@ekedp.com. Those are the platforms and the channels you can reach us.
We have a caller. We have a caller online. Hello. 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 Who's on the line? Okay. We've lost the call, and I can hear some voice at the background. Okay. The person who sent in this one wants us to ask the question, and for me it has to do with knowing the billing methodology of it's a demand for explanation on billing methodology of EKEDC, because it says that it's estimated billing, not also stealing. You know, how does ECO arrive at estimating bills for its customers? We need to. This one is saying that it needs explanation.
Okay, thank you very much for that question. Well, you see, before you are given supply of electricity from any disco. There are basically two methods. There are two methods by which you can get connected. You either have to accept that they should estimate your bill, that is, estimate your consumption, and then you get a bill, or you wait until you have a meter properly installed. Those are the two methods by which you can connect. Now, we know for some time there were some issues with meter installation and
okay. Sorry, just pause at that point. Okay, you can continue. I think
so. A lot of people, when they finish their building or they move to places where they need supply, they are not. They don't really want to wait for long for this meter installation to be done. So they will sign the agreement that we should connect them on estimated billing. That we should give them estimated billing. And estimated billing has a methodology to it, and it's, we are in a regulated industry.
Yes.
Even as it is now, we even have what's called a capping billing, So that also regulates how.
No. Make we explain waiting that capping bill. Now be say it get ceiling, it get limit where you fit bill customer. Abi. Not be should be na capping be that say it get not be say you go just bill customer anyhow. Exactly. It get limit
depending on the area
or the area they can whether they band, whether na bande, whether if you go, even if you must estimate, it get limit.
Exactly.
Okay. Now then they call capping. Okay. So okay, so what is being said is that estimated billing is not arrived at, arbitrarily. Okay, we have a caller from WhatsApp. Okay, hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can we meet
My name is Robert.
Robert.
Yes, the first message you read, I sent that message some weeks back. It's an old message.
Okay.
But the last one about estimation billing, I sent that one today.
Okay.
What I want to know is that okay, fine. Eco electricity. By rights, everybody's supposed to have a prepaid meter. Am I right?
You are right.
So that you can know what you consume. But nevertheless, some people still use this old meter, and your guys, they will come and they will bring bill at their own. Their own wish. They can give you 100,000. They can give you any amount. So that's why I asked that question. That okay. If a customer is here to have a prepaid meter, to even have it is very, very hard. I want to even ask how we can get a prepaid meter. The easiest way to get it, I would like your guys to tell us. So when you bill somebody that kind of 100,000 and whatever, I want to know, how do you arrive at such amount? Is that one not stealing?
Mr. Robert.
So that's why I asked that question.
Mr. Robert, it has been explained that.
Yes, sir.
It has been explained that these days, the electricity industry is a regulated industry. What that means is like you have a watchman. They have a watchman watching them. They cannot just do anything. There is a cap. There is a policy called capping now, billing capping. They cannot just bill anyhow. If you feel that you are being billed anyhow, please bring up your complaint. It will be attended to. You understand? Please.
That was why so, I want to know. For example, now a company where you have only 3 tenants, just 3.
We do not.
And at the end of the month, they are not using a prepaid bill. At the end of the month, when you are bringing 120,000 naira for only 3 people.
Okay. Well. Mr. Robert, it's been explained that there is a limit, there is a billing limit. If you feel that your bill has exceeded the limit, please bring up the complaint. Engineer Adewumi.
Okay, Mr. Robert, thank you very much. I know sometimes some of these things evoke a lot of passion. Okay, now one thing that is this for us, because we have field officers that go around. But it's not everything that you have in your house that we might know. Because it's not, sometimes before we can even come into your house to know what you have, right? We have to take permission from you. Now, one of the challenges we have is that somebody can stay in one room. Maybe at the time he started, maybe now only one television he gets. By the time he had washing machine, by the time he had other gadgets like deep freezer, AC and all that, the man no go tell us. So it is only when you complain, then we'll look at that complaint on individual basis. So please just take your complaints to the nearest complaint center and it will be addressed.
Oh,
Thank
so
you, Mr.
much,
Robert.
so much to say about energy theft. But one thing that is never our friend on this program is time. We have run out of time. I can see my producer, almost saying, we are done. We should be packing our load, and that we are going to be doing. But I won't do that without thanking our guests on the program. To my right, Engineer Yinka Adewumi, the GM Business Development. We want to thank you for your insight on the program, your time. We want to say a very big thank you, believing that when next we call you, you will, answer again.
Thank you for having me.
And to Mr. Lasaki too, we want to say a very big thank you for coming on the program today. My name is Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. The show is Power Connect Show. We will see you next week. Bye for now.
But if it is not eligible, you will have to apply for a new meter. And note that EKDC will reimburse you for the meter over time. If you experience any issues, kindly contact our customer experience team via the email or phone number provided. This is a public service announcement from a co-electricity distribution company. The 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 distribution